Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll be looking at the simple steps to successfully capture your biometrics using the NIS app and how to avoid all the failed attempts while capturing your biometrics. Please watch my other videos on completing the application and other requirements. Once the application is completed on the NIS website or on the app, you will get a screen like this that says, "Congratulations, your passport application has been successfully completed. You may now proceed to the contactless biometric enrollment." After that, you can now download the NIS app on the Play Store, create a username and password, and verify your email. The next step is to use your application and reference number to check your eligibility. Once that has been established, you will have to start the contactless biometric enrollment. Following the guidelines from the app, you will take a passport photo of yourself in a well-lit area using your phone. Once the passport photo has been taken, there's going to be a liveness passport pass, meaning to show that your passport is okay. On the screen, there will be 3 different passport photos of you to review. One of them is the recently scanned photo while you were completing the application, the selfie that was taken, and the old one in your passport that has expired. You have to select 2 of those passports. But remember that the passport that was uploaded during the application process is what is going to be printed on the new passports. The next step is to capture your biometrics using your phone. You will do this by holding the phone on your right hand and pointing the phone to your left hand. Then you will capture your left fingers like this. Please make sure all the fingers are showing green, pointing to them while you are pointing your phone to your fingers. It should be showing green. All of them should be showing a cycle green. And make sure the phone is not shaky, that it's steady. The biometric will automatically be captured, leading you to the next screen. After you do that, you capture the left, then you do the same thing, capturing your right fingers. The goal is to make sure all fingers are successfully captured with at least 50% for all fingers. If 3 fingers are all 75% and 1 is 47%, you will not be able to proceed until they all pass the 50% minimum accuracy. Otherwise, there will be an error message of failed attempt, meaning you have to start all over again if you are timed out. Moving forward, you will then capture the left thumb and the right thumb. In doing this, you have to place the phone close to your left thumb and capture. Then you place it close to your right thumb and capture. At every stage, there will be a percentage of progress made, showing that you've captured 50%, 60% of the biometrics. If at any point in time there are failed attempts, you can clean your thumbs with wipes or alcohol to remove whatever stain that is on it, or if there's an issue. Also, if you can get someone around in capturing, it's going to be helpful, so you wouldn't have to waste much time, especially to capture the right thumb. Once all the fingers have been captured, you can then proceed to make payments, either using your credit card or a debit card. If the payment failed, it is advisable to wait for about 5 minutes before retrying. Please verify your account transactions before making another payment, so you won't be charged twice. And also note that the currency is in USD, but the equivalent will be taken from whatever currency your card is denominated in. Sometimes you might get an error like this that shows an invalid number. The quick fix is to put a plus in front of the number. Take for instance, if your application is being filled, or if you are making payment from the US or Canada, there has to be a plus 1 in front of your number. If you are making payment from Nigeria, it has to be plus 234. From the UK, it's going to be plus 44. Please let me know what you think in the comment section. How easy was it for you to do the biometrics? And other suggestions on how to improve, or if you have any questions related to the biometrics capturing or in completing the application. Thank you guys for watching. Please share the video, subscribe to the channel to support me. Thank you.